I'm going to be organizing my fidget collection. Yes, I have a lot of fidgets, but I still ordered some more. But I'm going to be organizing them because I hate unorganized things. I don't know why, I just don't like it. So let's go. So this is where I'm going to be organizing my fidgets. So I'm going to put some squishies over here. So I'm going to bring my squishies in 3, 2, 1. Okay, here are all of my squishies. So I'm going to put all of these in here. So I'm going to put them in 3, 2, 1. Here's 5. Now some more. There we go. If you're wondering, I have exactly 10 squishies, and I like them a lot. I think my favourite one is the cat one, the Galaxy Cat, and then the softest is definitely this French fries. This French fries is very soft. Now on this side, I was thinking to maybe put my slime over here, and I'm also gonna put these caps. I mean, they might just seem ordinary, but these are very satisfying. Depends if you do like them or not, but I mean, I think that those click sounds are very satisfying. And I'm also gonna put where is it gone? Oh yeah, here. This Lego DIY thing. It's not like that. Wait, let me just. Yeah, it's like this. It's really satisfying, and I love these colors. Oh no, what did that happen? Okay, let me just fix that. Okay, I fixed that. Don't worry, everyone. It's fine. It just popped all of a sudden. Okay, now I think that's enough for this level for now. But when I get some more stuff, I'll put that there. Later, I'm going to order this really cool pancake squishy, and this is the space for that. So now we're going to move to the second level. And over here, I want to put all of my homemade things. So like my paper squishies, my stress balls. I have a lot of homemade squishies and stuff. So all of those are going to be here. So I'm going to get all of my homemade things over here in 3, 2, 1. Okay, here are all of my homemade squishies, and I mean, not just squishies, all of my homemade fidgets. So first of all, these two. Since they're quite big, I'm going to put them over here. Now, I'm going to keep a section for my stress balls. These stress balls are so cool. I'm going to show you them. This one is by far my favorite stress ball. It's the biggest, and it's so satisfying. I put some corn flour and some water in it. I did use a funnel as well, and it was it is so satisfying, and I love it. I just used a balloon, happy birthday one. This one was pretty simple, just put some Play-Doh inside, and that's that. This one I put some flour. I really like this one too. It's really cool and satisfying. This one is my crunchy stress ball, and the one with beads. This is like this is my long, like, I'm not sure what it's called, but I also put some corn flour and a little bit of water because the water didn't really fit inside the balloon, but it's still pretty fun to play with. I'm not gonna lie. This one is my mum's favorite, and it's like a squishy cap. So I got a cap balloon and some really soft clay, and just put the clay inside and then over the balloon, and then at the bottom I put some tape. I do have a video for this, so feel free to go watch it. So yes, these are all my stress balls, and I'm going to put them up here. Well, not just like that. I will put them neatly. There, there, and there. There we go. Now, these bag squishies. These I'm going to also put in maybe right there. Okay. So now I'm going to put these two. This is my pop tube thing. I made them out of straws and then I just put them on this space thing. This is my homemade poppet. I made this a really long time ago. I mean, probably on February or January, probably February. And as you can see, it has a hole in it, but it is still very satisfying. So I'm going to put that there too. Over here. Oh, that's right. Like that. Okay, and this is my Velcro. I love Velcro. So satisfying. Just listen to this. So cool. And this is a command strip. It's also really satisfying. So I'm just gonna put these here. You can see that. And the last fidget is this. I just got this off like a bag or a jewelry bag, and it's so satisfying when you close it. Not the noise, but like the feel to your fingers. So that's also gonna go. I'm gonna put them on top of the command strip, and this really isn't a fidget, but I just think it's really cute and it just goes well. And by the way, this is not a real shell. This is a decoration piece I found in one of the vases. So I just think it looks really nice and it smells really good too. So I'm just gonna put that there. Now on the top. Oh, hello, marble. On the top, I'm going to put all of my really important ones. I'm not saying that these ones are not important, but I mean like the ones that are just like popular and just are a bit more what's the word I'm trying to look for? Just really more valuable. That's what I'm trying to look for. So over here I'm going to put all of my valuables. What's it called? Yeah, fidget toys. 3, 2, 1. Oh guys, so these are all of my valuable fidgets. So this is really cool. I've had this for a while, but I never played with it. But ever since the fidget toy trend came on, this is just very fun to play with. This is my snake. It's also really cool. Got it from Smiggle. This is my fidget cube. It's been on this show before. I mean, not show, my channel before. These are my magnetic rings. I've also done an opening video on these. Please go check that out too. And my most favourite fidget toy, the Poppet. This one is a quiet sound, but this is what the other side sounds like. It's so satisfying. So these are going to the top. Let's go. Whoop. Oopsie. Okay, so my Poppet's gonna go here. My magnetic rings here. No, my snake goes there. Over here, my magnetic rings. Here goes my splat person thing. And then my fidget cube can just go here. Okay, guys, this looks really cool. So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.